money, money, tô gastando money. Depois que eu lancei o make.
Hey Camp Fam, so today we are going to talk about our cruise packing and when it comes to a medicine bag. So hopefully you checked out our other video up here that talks about all the things that we pack in the cruise, our top 10 items, and top 10 includes our medicine bag. So we have a carry-on bag that we like to bring all our medicine and stuff in. The reason for packing your own medicine is you want to save money. You get on a cruise, it is going to be expensive. So we're just going to kind of go through some things that are essential. So first thing, you are going on a cruise. You want some sunscreen with you, bring different kinds, and make sure you have aloe vera gel, because no matter how much sunscreen you have, at some point you are going to get burnt. So that is one thing that is definitely shown in our bag. The next thing, so this is like all of our medicine type of stuff. So one thing we have here, pro tip, if you don't want your clothes wrinkled, get that Downy Release stuff. Inside of here, we have your Dramamine. So get this for adults, kids, whoever is going with you. You don't want to be out and have that motion sickness. The other thing we always carry with us is some ibuprofen. So have some ibuprofen with you. Next thing, one too many guys burger and your stomach is going to be hurting. So you're going to want some stomach relief. So always pack that. If you have kids going with you, the kids version as well. Guys, medicine on the ship is crazy expensive. So bringing this little bit is going to save you money in the long run. Another item we always bring with is some artificial tears. You're out in that salt water, you never know what's going to happen if your eyes are going to get dried up, and just having it with you. The other thing which you might not think of is just some Band-Aids. Get yourself a little first aid kit. Pack that in there. All of this stuff you can bring with easily. So we just have it all packed in here. Like I said, this is our little medicine stuff. So that is medicine. Now, some other things that we have in our bathroom bag, obviously, is your toothbrush, items like that. One thing that you may not think of that we also include is a nail clippers and a nail file. There's nothing worse than you catch a nail while you're out at sea, and now you just got a pain in the butt to try to get that thing cleaned up. So bring with that nail clippers so you have that. Let's see, we have another bag here if there's anything. So this has, you know, your pain reliever for the kids, your headache medicine, your stomach medicine. You never know. Like I said, all these medicines, your ibuprofens, bringing you this type of stuff is going to save you money in the long run, because you do not want to have to make that visit to the cruise ship doctor, because it is going to cost you a lot. So anything you think you might use, hey, pack a few of them, and that way you have it with you. So that is the majority of our medicine bag with us. Like we said, we carry this on with us as a carry-on. We actually have a bag that straps to our wheeled luggage, so it's a little bit easier to carry around. But hopefully you like this video, and if you have not checked out our top 10 video of what to pack on a cruise essential, make sure you check that one out, and hopefully we'll see you on a cruise sometime soon. And if you do, stop by, say hi, get on the Camp Fan video. See you later.